यतापट्टि कर्विनले
अँ,
हिजो
अँ,
मैले कर्विनलाई नै
भन न भन न भन
यस्टरडे आई हिजो कर्विनलाई मैले त्यो 4 आवरको लो ब्रेक गरेपछि सेल गरौँ भनेर कति रिक्वेस्ट गरेको थिएँ होइन
अँ,
कर्विनले अलिकति 9 जस्तो गर्यो होइन अनि त्यसपछि म नै हिचकिचाएँ क्या अनि
अँ,
त्यसपछि ठ्याक्कै म क्लिक गर्न लागेको 4-5 पिप मुभ भइदिइहाल्यो क्या 4 आवरले लो ब्रेक गरेर अनि म
अँ।
इन्ट्री गर्नै पाएन त्यसपछि म कुनै पनि ट्रेडै लिइनँ क्या मैले एउटा पनि त्यही
होइन
एउटा
हिजोको
ट्रेड लिएँ
हिजोको
कर्विनले
हिजोको 4 आवरले भनेको लाइक दुईवटा 5 मिनट भित्र ब्रेकआउट गर नि त। अनि त्यही भएर हिजो मैले त्यसमा पनि लिन त लिन तर मैले पछि एनवाइसीको लो ब्रेक गरेपछि मैले ल्याएको क्या
ए दामी दामी मैले त त्यहाँ
एनवाइसी।
एनवाइसीमा चाहिँ लिन सकिनँ किनभने अगाडि नै ट्रेड राम्रो एउटा लिइसकेको थिएँ ल 28-30 क्याच गरिसकेको थिएँ अनि हुन त एनवाइसीमा मैले चाहिँ पुल ब्याकलाई वेट गरे हो क्या किनभने पुल ब्याक बिना त म एनवाइसी ट्रेड गर्दिनँ नि त मैले पहिला नै एनवाइसीमा लिएको हो क्या अनि
होइन
पुल
मैले
ब्याक बिना
यस्तो हेरेँ
हिजो
क्या
त
ब्रो हिजोको
मोमेन्टम
दिनको लागि चाहिँ कस्तो हेरेँ भने 5 मिनटमा हेर्छु अनि 1 मिनटमा हेर्छु एउटा पुलब्याक दिँदैन एउटै पुलब्याक दिँदैन होइन अनि हेर्छु 1 मिनटमा होइन कन्फर्मेसन अफ रेजिस्टेन्स बनाउँछ एउटा सपोर्ट बनाउँछ फेक सपोर्ट हुन्छ होइन रेजिस्टेन्स बनाउँछ फेरि ब्रेक हुन्छ फेरि गइदिन्छ होइन अनि तल गएको गई गएको गई गएको गई गएको गई भयो क्या अनि यस्तो विचार गरेँ एनवाइसीको लोमा होइन ठ्याक्कै हेर्छौ भने 1 मिनटको थर्ड क्यान्डलमा मैले एन्ट्री ल्याएको क्या हिजोको एनवाइसीको लोको।
होइन ब्रो एकचोटि डेलीमा जाउँ त एकचोटि फर्स्टमा डेलीमा
ओके
हिजो
ठिकै छ
चाहिँ कर्विनले
अब
पुरै धेरै
भन न।
पुरै गरेन क्या धेरै त्यहाँ रिजेक्सन कन्फर्मेसन अफ रिजेक्सन र ओपनिङमा रिटेस्ट गरेर लो ब्रेक गरेपछि यस्तो मोमेन्टमा आएको क्या
हो
मलाई
यो यो
यस्तो
यो
दामी
यो
लाग्यो
लो
कर्विन कर्विनले यदि यो हेरेर एकदमै उ गरे भए सेलमा एकदमै उ दिन्थ्यो तर मलाई चाहिँ यो चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो त्यही भएर मैले 4 आवरमा नि सेल गर्न खोजेको तर
उम्,
अलिकति मिस भइहाल्यो जे भयो नि यस्तो कर्विनलाई मात्र सोधेर नि हुँदैन रहेछ क्या आफूलाई मन लागेको कुरा आफै एक्जिक्युट गर्न सक्नुपर्ने रहेछ क्या
हो
म
आफू
चाहिँ
आफू
अलिकति
आफूले हेरेको
कर्विनसँग
कुराहरू होइन आफूले
त्यो चाहिँ
हेरेको
मैले
कुराहरूलाई
बुझेँ
अलिकति उयो गर्नुपर्छ। ठिकै छ
होइन
हामी
तर आँखा चिम्लेर
विक्लीदेखि जाउँ न त
कर्विनसँग मात्र
एकचोटि
ट्रेड लियो भने ल ब्रो अब
विक्लीमा
इङ्ग्लिसमा
जाउँ न
बोलौँ ल
ल ठिकै छ। Now we are moving on to Delhi. So the previous Delhi candle closed heavy bearish, breaking below the 1940. So what we are looking at the moment is that we need some sort of pullback. Okay, so let's scale up this yesterday daily candle. So the 50% of the daily candle is like near to 1943.43. Okay, 43.43. The first information is that Delhi candle closed below the 1940. So what we are looking forward to this Delhi and upcoming week is that we need to see some clear picture below this area. At least retest to the 1925, 1930. Yesterday we have already done 1930. So we need to see at least 1925 or at least towards 1920 or 18. Okay, so I'm looking forward for this weekly candle to move towards like 1918 or 1920 key level. So let's move on to 4 hour. We have a massive range over here. Okay, so we have already cleared this, but we have resistance over here. We have support over here. Okay, we have support over here. So for the bigger picture or for the more clear picture, so we need to see any sort of for our candle closing below like this. Okay, like this, and afterwards coming into NY sessions, all we need is that we need some sort of pullback 1930 1931. Otherwise again we have to scale up this 4 hour candle which will be closing below 1930, and we'll measure that candle and see where is the 50% area of that 4 hour breakout candle. Okay, so
yes this is the picture perfect like continuation and also brother like we should be careful of that 30 area it is
yeah,
a very
because
very strong area
uh,
like yeah
like Kevin already talked about 1930 as a psychologically strong key level or is a strong area. So we have first information is that we have a support over here. Okay, we have a support towards 1930 31 key level. So we need to keep in mind that we won't get clear information until and unless this current 4 hour candle closes below this area.
yes and
So
also like that 30 yeah 30 area was retested already before in that session yeah like
yeah,
yesterday session so now if you come and retest that break
again
below and like yeah break below and then like retest again like 30 area and then like give that bearish momentum. But if a 5 minute candle after breaking the 30 again closes at above the 30, then we have to be very very careful.
Yeah, because
We need we yeah
after that scenario, the market will already say like it's a fake out from that area. So we need to keep in mind that.
yes
Okay, so
yes
we need to see candle closing below 1930, and we need to clear that 1929 area.
yes
Otherwise,
1929 area.
I need to
Yeah
see this bearish candle low to be broken
yes yes. Yeah
for
yeah yeah
continuation
yeah
move. Okay.
yeah,
So my first
yeah.
of all, my first target will be like to this rejection week. We have on the left hand side is like 50 pips below.
Yes
So let's move on to hourly candle, hourly time frame. So we have previous support area like near to 1931. Okay, 10 pips above the key level. We can consider that as a support. Okay, for today's session. So any kind of closure. I need to see any kind of closure. This trade will be like early trade, but if we see any sort of hourly candle closing below this, okay, closing below this support, uh,
32 yes
I don't think
31
this 1927 28 area will hold. Okay.
yes yes yes. It will retest if it will close below, then like it will retest at 30, and after retesting at 30, like which is the like second time or
uh,
even third time,
Third time,
so it will not hold.
first time,
Yeah yeah
second time, and
it will
third
not
time.
hold.
Okay.
Yeah yeah
I
third
don't
time.
think 1930 will hold much. Okay. Because brother, we have we can call this like a fake out. Okay, we can call this like a fake out too over here. Okay, this one we can
Yes
call it as a fake out, and if price comes near to this fake out, then this fake out won't be respected anymore.
yes.
So
And I will be do
overall
yeah
target
yeah
will be like first target will be like near to 1925 key
25
level, and later on we can hold that position towards 1920 or 1918. But we need to
yes
see
yes
what's gonna happen over here
yes
below that week. Okay,
yeah
if price doesn't respect that low, we are good to go for the downside. But if price respect that low or price reject that low, then we may see range. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you that we need to buy from here. Okay, I'm just telling you that price can just go over there and hang around like this between this
yeah
range.
yeah.
Okay, between 1931 and 1925. So we need to be clever over.
But looking at the momentum also, like we have like uh, weekly close in like 2 days.
2 days,
So
yes.
like yeah. So
And
I think like
if this current
this
weekly
weekly candle
candle
can
close,
easily yeah,
if this current weekly candle breaks its on low and breaks its previous week low, then we are good to go for more downside move. Okay,
9800
1900,
1900 yeah
every key level.
yeah yeah
So the yesterday daily candle confirmation was quite strong to see for more to look for more downside moves. So I'm more curious about the downside move. So I'll be looking forward for more downside move, and I won't take any buys. We have to keep in mind that every pullback, every bullish momentum in this session is like a pullback to it. Okay,
yeah
pullbacks
yeah
toward the previous daily candle. So looking on to 4 hour, here we have support, and if price something closes below like this, then we should be good to go.
yeah. Brother, can you go to like 5 minute or 15 minute? Now
Okay,
I want to
I'll
like
go to like
today
lower time
yeah
frame. Okay,
yeah
yeah,
yeah. Now, what I'm today looking for is that fake out either fake out above 40, and
okay,
then like it the 41 holds, yeah 41 holds, 41 area holds very strongly,
yes,
and then we have that confirmation of rejection from there, and I might consider sales from there. That
yeah,
is one trade idea, one number one. And next idea is directly close below that 31.5. I will like take lower risks so that we can retest that 30, and then if we break the daily low, then I'll add another position.
for the more
For
downside
example,
move.
I think yeah I think trading fake out from 40 we can trade with
40,
a
40,
good risk.
41. Either
Yeah
40 or
yeah
41 is the best risk
yeah
reward
yes
to be
yes. That's
considered.
why like
Because
yeah
after let's talk about this yesterday move. Okay, after this sell off, we haven't got any kind of pullback. Okay, so
yes
price is now currently ranging between this area. Okay, this area. So if we see any kind of fake out coming from 1941 or 40 area, then we can go for we can see for a short
Yeah,
from that
this is my
area
picture perfect. Like, yeah, picture perfect.
towards
Picture
the low
perfect.
of the range, which is like 31,
Yeah,
and see what's gonna happen over here. Okay, so
yeah, brother. Like,
this is like
that
kind
is
of
my
80 pips range. Okay, 80 more than 85 pips range, so we can
yes.
play good ways from here.
Also, we need that information from New York session,
Yeah,
like that momentum. We can't just sell or buy
we
here and
need
there.
volume to
Yeah,
kick in the market,
yeah,
so
momentum. Yeah, yeah.
it will be a lot more easier for us to look for the downside move. So the first idea will be like looking short positions from 1940 1940.5 1940.5,
Yes.
risking like
Yeah.
1942 1942.5 somewhere like
41. Yeah, 42.5. Yeah, yeah.
42.5. Okay.
We don't need to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And second trade idea is like sales below, closer below, like even let's say like 31.5 or 30, 31 flat, because
31.
if
Okay.
we get, yeah, because that is also the support area, and that has been retested multiple times, so
Multiple
we are
times.
not expecting to that 30 to hold, and we can manage the trade if that 30 rejects very like heavily, because
Okay.
even if we are taking like trade at 31, our stop loss won't be higher than like 15 or 20
15 or
pips,
20
because
pips. Okay. I
yeah,
would
yeah,
like to add one
yeah,
more thing towards here. Okay. Because the current price is like near to that area. Okay. So first of all, if N if this move happened before NY, then it will be a lot more easier for us to look for the more
yeah,
downside move. Okay. Because the
yeah,
NY
yeah,
will try to pull back.
pull
Okay,
back,
give us some sort of
yes,
pullback. Okay, so if price closes below this, and I don't take any trades from here, then later on I can just sit on my hands and wait for the more pullback. Okay, like
yeah, yeah,
this because this 30-31 area is like a support area. Okay, because uh if something closes below this, I need to see later on this area is reacting more like a
holding,
resistance area. Okay,
yeah, yeah, holding, yeah, that must be hold,
this
like,
area should hold like a hold like a contention area
yeah.
for more downside move, for more downside move.
Yes, that,
So
that is the idea. And for buys, are
we don't
will
need
you,
to
will you be
we don't need to
consider?
take source after breaking the first like the first batch of order. We don't need to take part like a first batch of order. We can wait and
Yeah.
see. We can wait for the pullback and see more. Okay, we can let the market give us more information about the structure and everything over there, timing and each and everything, and later on we can
Yes.
plan trade from there. Okay, like the same scenario we discussed like near to this 1940-41 area.
Yeah. 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 For buys, like I am not looking anything,
No, no, no,
like,
no.
because like yeah, yeah, for buys I need that 2 4 hour candle closing bullish, and then
Bullish.
only I
Okay,
can
then
consider
only
without, yeah,
we can look for a
yeah,
buys. We can
yeah,
look
yeah.
for a
For
buys
example, yeah,
setup.
yeah, yeah. For example, if we reject that area and the 4 hour creates
Closes
support and
strong
breaks the
bullish.
40 area, yeah,
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 above
above that
40,
40 area,
then we can look for
then
buys.
I will look for buys. Yeah, that will be also not like targeting 45. That is the trade idea
That will
for
be
buys.
targeting the
Yeah,
like near to
yeah,
50 53 area.
yeah,
Back from
yeah.
yesterday high.
Also, like,
Okay.
yeah, because like anything can happen, so we should always be. But taking buys, we should be conservative, very very conservative.
Yeah,
Like, that's what I
we
think.
should wait for the 4 hour candle
Yeah,
information to take buys.
yeah, yeah.
it won't be easy to take buys over here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Like taking buys will be only possible if it gives close,
Above
like above that 40 area
40
or
area.
even like 45 with
Yeah,
NYSE. With NYSE, and NYSE retest the previous low and then break.
yeah.
If there is no NYSE or anything like momentum, then I am not considering buys at all. Only
Okay,
with
okay.
NYSE, I will consider buys.
let me
Yeah,
give an idea about the buys plan. Okay, like if we see this 4 hour candle rejecting the previous support area 1930-31 area and closes something like this. Okay, something like this above
yeah,
the 40, and the next information,
yeah.
next candle clearing this 43, which is like
Ajay,
which is like 50% of the yesterday's daily candle range. Okay, so if we clear this area, then we have more information, and later on this 40 acting like a support again, and we can see we can play like a cowboy from here 40, placing our buys from here and risking something like 10, no, not 10, 15 to 20 pips, and we can aim for like this picture.
Yes, brother. But that buys, we need that information from 4 hour.
Yeah,
Without
we
4 hour information,
first of
I'm
all
not
we
going
need to
to
see
take
this
buy.
kind of
Yeah,
candle. Okay,
yeah,
for the buys to play out, we need to see first of all this information. Okay, the market
yes,
hasn't printed it yet, so
yeah,
we need to just sit on our hands and let the market print more information and trade according to the price action. Okay.
yes, brother. So today sales from below 31, closer below 30, let's say 30, or fake out from 40. That will
Yeah,
be the idea.
that will be
This is only the two
that's the
idea that I'm
that's
saying.
the two plan.
Yeah,
Okay, that's the two plan.
yeah, yeah, brother. Yeah, that's
That will
right.
be the plan for the sales, and for the buys I already discussed about that. But
Yeah, yeah,
after
brother.
closing above
So,
40,
so
we need
yeah,
to see that this 43 area like not holding properly. Okay, to see more upside
yes,
moves,
brother.
because if we measure the daily
Yeah,
candle range from yesterday, this is the 50% area.
yeah. It, yes, 50% area. Yeah, it
And
can even. Yeah, yeah.
if this daily candle doesn't respect this 50%, then we should see that upside move playing out.
Yeah, but, yeah, like if that daily candle closes support, then like we will have some idea. But
Yeah,
without closure,
without that
I don't
we
think
don't
we will
have
have
that
idea.
idea.
Yeah. No, no, no. Like we don't need to consider even like
And
buy
to be
or
on
not.
and to be honest, brother, I don't want to see this daily candle again closing back above 1940,
No, 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 brother.
because like we have talked in this in our sessions, like we've been ranging from so long, so long, so I don't want to see again candle closing above that 1940. Okay.
Same here, brother. Yeah, brother. Because like uh, it is like fake out to the upside, fake out to
And
the
to the
downside,
downside, it's
and
just like
we
printing
will
barcodes.
be in the range again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be in the range. Yeah, like it's very difficult.
Yeah, brother. So that's for the today's plan. So trade
Yeah, yeah, brother. Same plan, brother. Like
trade
nothing
wise,
different.
don't let market bro, यसको यो रेकर्डिङ कसरी बन्द गर्ने हो?
खै
अँ
करुणले
ल
कसरी कसरी गर्छ, म त अहिलेसम्म रेकर्डै गरेको छैन, त्यहाँ गएर रेकर्डमा थिच्ने होला नि।